Good afternoon, mga kaliga. Welcome to Junior MPBL Pocket League Season 3 North Division Quarterfinals match at hand. It's the Infinite Basketball facing the GTU Arrows. We are live here inside the City Arena in Santa Mesa, Manila. Once again, I am Kyle Isibido, your voice for today's action. And Infinite Basketball wearing their black and yellow jerseys. And the GTU Arrows, their usual white. Ball is up. The first possession goes to the Infinite. Zio Sanchez. Austin assisting, fires away. An offensive board. And the first blood for Reb Capada. And a good pass and a good finish for Abraham Meneses. These two teams starting off aggressively as Almeida steps on the sideline. Here's Zio. Kicks it out to Austin. Santos pounding his way through. As Reb Capada once again. In and out. Good effort from him. Meneses on a foot race. That's Abraham Meneses. 4 points for him for the side of GTU Arrows. And Reb Capada travels on that one. And a 2-2-1 half-court press here. DK Manahan finding. And intercepted by the Infinite Basketball. (4-2) ang ating score. 2-point lead for the Arrows. 8 minutes and 35. DK pounding his way through. As Almeida driving through the lane, he gets fouled. And Almeida is headed to the charity stripe. That's a foul on number 88, Reb Capada. That's his first. And at the line, it's Jake Almeida. The first one is good. And he splits the charity stripe. He gets his own miss. Drops it off to Meneses. As Manahan finds number 3. Meneses pounding his way through. Basket and one for Abraham Meneses. He got 6 points in this game. And he can't convert the bonus. That's Jaden Ramirez. Intercepted by Shensha. Counter steal by Ramirez. He spins. Jaden kicks it out. Sanchez nabitawan. As number 17, the flip shot won't drop. Who gets the board? Reb Capada. And a steal by Meneses. DK momentarily wide open. He drives, he floats. The defense for assisting. Jaden Ramirez. Strips by Manahan as Manahan goes all the way. And a kick ball there from the side of Infinite Basketball. 7-point lead for the Arrows. There's Vico, Lakaya. He drives, wala. Almeida. And another foul there by the Infinite Basketball. And GTU Arrows will call for time. We'll be right back after this one. And that timeout is brought to you by Dorite Bola ng Pinoy, the official game ball of Junior MPBL, the first Pinoy basketball. Let's see the baseline play here by the GTU Arrows. As he steps on the sideline. Yusito Santos. And 2 free throws coming up for Kyrie Santos. And the first one is good. Two out of 2 for Kyrie as he cuts the lead down to 5. 6 minutes and 35 left. DK Manahan against Ramirez. DK gives it to Lakaya. Top lock feeds 10. Lakaya. Hindi niya nakita si DK Manahan there on that left wing. Gio Sanchez. Forward pass. Almost a steal. He splits the charity stripes as Jake Almeida. Following it up. And he steals the ball. Forward pass to DK. DK hang time move. Easy basket for DK Manahan. Dio Sanchez bringing the ball down, gives it to Jaden Ramirez, gives it to Kyrie Santos, and that's a hand check foul for Vincent Cienza. As we see number 28 checks in Jaden De La Cruz, number 25 Sariel Beruela for the side of the GT Arrows, and Sean Riva De Neira checks in for the first time for the Infinite Basketball. Kyrie Santos against Sencha, and another foul from the side of the Arrows. That's on number 17. And Vincent Sencha, that's his second foul. This game is very physical as Kyrie Santos pivoting his way through. And there's a technical foul on DK Manahan. And mainit itong laban na to. Once again, this is a quarter finals matchup. Mananalo dito, they are the third team who will advance in the semis, as Zio Sanchez will take the technical free throw. And he takes the free throw plus ball possession. And Rib Capada ceiling. And Rib Capada gets fouled on that one. And it's a foul on number 25, Cyriel Beruela. As Rib Capada, he'll take his time in the free throw line. And he misses the first. In and out on the second. Here's De La Cruz. Gives it to Beruela. Beruela with the Pinoy step. Matapoy ng Infinite Basketball. Forward pass intercepted by Beruela. Taran checks in for the first time for the Infinite Basketball. Again, this is just the first quarter. Both teams very aggressive. As DK Manahan, papahinga muna siya at papalitan siya ni number 38, Aldwin Nobleza. Zio, to Kyrie. Press break for the side of Infinite. Rivanera. Ikalawang isip. Zio Sanchez. Shot clock reads 12. Zio for the three. Off the bank for Zio Sanchez. The bank is open on a sunny afternoon for Zio Sanchez. And he steals the ball. Infinite Basketball pushing the ball. Rib Capada stepping on the gas pedal. And the ball stays with the Infinite Basketball. As Zio, he wants a back back-to-back three-pointer for Gio Sanchez, scorching out here for the Infinite Basketball. And Gio Sanchez cuts the lead down to 4. And he wants the ball. Why not for Gio? Gives it to Kyrie. Kyrie, this time he attacks. The floater is good. And Infinite Basketball coming up alive. And a steal by Kyrie. Kyrie, the hang time. And here's the follow-up. Won't drop. There's Beruela. And now the GTR wants to push the basketball. The ball goes to the rib Capada. And Gio Sanchez wants to set things up. Gio hands it up to Kyrie Santos. He wants the pick. And that's a foul. Good job by Inigo Taran. Getting that shot off. Kaya naman, 2 free throws coming up for Inigo Taran. He can tie the game with this 2 free throws. And I jinxed him. Second free throw for Inigo. Is good. 1 point lead for the Arrows. 1 minute and 55 left here in the first. It is a very crucial game for both teams. As we see Beruela setting the things for the side of the Arrows. Lakaya, step back, step through, jumper. Won't drop as the follow-up for number 38. And he travels on that one. Here's Gio. Gives it to Inigo Taran. Naagawan. Lakaya pushing the ball. Here's Lakaya. A counter steal by Inigo. Good job by Inigo there. Here's Kyrie ahead of the pack. The ball fake. The finish. And Kyrie Santos magbabalik sa free throw line. And that's a foul on number 38, Nobleza. And a chance for the Infinite Basketball to take the lead. As he ties the ball game, 17 apiece. And Kyrie Santos calmly sinks the free throw. Has been perfect in the line for this game. 18-17, 1 point lead for the Infinite Basketball. As we see Abraham Meneses checks in for the Arrows. Here's De La Cruz, a forward pass to Beruela. Beruela with a sidestep. He got fouled all the way up. And a chance once again for the Arrows to snatch the lead from the Infinite Basketball. And he ties the game at 18. And they take the lead once again, 19-18 with 1 minute left here in the first. Kyrie against two. Pressure defense applied by the GTU Arrows. Almost a steal, and they complete the steal. It's De La Cruz all the way dropping to Beruela. And another free throw coming up for Beruela. First one is good. Sider Beruela. Perfect from the line. As I jinxed him. 20-18, 2-point lead for the Arrows. Zio Sanchez finding Inigo. Inigo! The flip shot won't drop. Kuha ngayon ni Ciencia. Inigo tara, nagkaroon ng papasahan. And a traveling call for Inigo. 21 seconds left here in the first. Seconds. Almost a steal from the side of Infinite Basketball. Here's Lakaya. 10 seconds left and he travels on that one. Good defense from Inigo. Tara, nakabawi naman siya sa turnover niya kanina. 9.1 seconds left. Lalaman kaya o tatabla dito ang Infinite Basketball. Gives it to their main man. Zio drops it off. Nabagawan ni Ciencia. 1 second left. And that's the end of the first quarter. 2-point lead for the GTA Arrows. We'll be right back after this one. The second quarter. Zio Sanchez dito, hindi pa rin nilalabas ni Coach Jun Dizon. First possession for the guys in white. DK Manahan, one of the main men here for the side of the Arrows. 3-pointer on its way and offensive blast for Beruela. And third chance is good for Elijah Cardenas. And that's a basket for Sean Rivadeneira. Good answer from the part of the Infinite Basketball. They need to stop here if they want to tie the game or a chance to take the lead. And they steal the ball. Counter steal for the Arrows. As once again, Elijah Cardenas fighting for that loose ball. And now 2 free throws coming up from him. Inigo gives it to Sanchez. Top of the key. Jumper won't drop again. Rebound by Rivadeneira. Shot block reads 10. Gives it to Zio. Kicks it out. Kyrie Santos. Hinihingi niya yung bola doon. The flip shot off the bank. And in. Kyrie Santos. This guy, very the type of player who can drive and finishes at the rim as DK Manahan flips it up. Wala ngayon, nakaninong bola. It's Abraham Meneses. And Rib Capada checks in for the side of Infinite Basketball. 2 free throws coming up for Abraham Meneses. And the free throw is good for Abraham. 28-22. Balik sa 6 ang Kalamangan. They steal the ball once again. De La Cruz to Beruela. And there's a travel on that last play. Dio. Harap na papasahan. Good pass to Kyrie Santos. Kyrie, the attack. Rib Capada with a follow. Rib Capada, sobrang sipag dito. De La Cruz. Forward pass. It's same ball. As Jake Almeida checks in for the side of GT Arrows. DK. 3 butter for DK Manahan. And they steal the ball once again. DK pushing the letter. Hinihingi ni De La Cruz on the right side. No problem for DK Manahan as Coach Jun Dizon wants to talk things over. We'll be right back after this timeout. And that timeout is brought to you by Pound Active for quality sportswear. Let's see kung ano mga adjustments dito ng Infinite Basketball as GT Arrows. May 9-point lead sila dito. Inigo Taran gives it to Kyrie Santos. The fadeaway jumper won't drop as Rib Capada once again boxing out, using his strength there. And the first one is good for Rib. As Cardenas secures the board. Here's Lakaya. Karo ng papasahan. He gives it to De La Cruz. Kicks it out. That's DK. He fakes the pro hop. Smooth like butter for DK Manahan. He is a very smooth player from the side of the GT Arrows. (35-25). Lumolobo na ang kalamangan ng GT Arrows. Infinite, they need to stop here. Kicks it out. Jaden, one dribble. He kicks it out to Rib. Rib driving against two defenders. And it's a 24 shot clock violation from the side of Infinite Basketball. There's Lakaya. Gives it to De La Cruz. Gives it to the corner three by number 77. Won't drop. Here's Kyrie Santos once again stepping on the gas pedal. Intercepted by DK Manahan. Yes, Lakaya drops it off to Almeida. Almeida at that time. Rib Capada, 2 against 1. Rib. The layup is good for Rib Capada. Lakaya, he wants to try a 3 of his own. Vico Lakaya. That's his first 3 of this game. Gio gives it to Kyrie. Kyrie Santos bumping his way through. And almost an end one play for him. Balik si Kyrie ngayon sa free throw line. And the first one is good for Kyrie Santos. Two out of 2 for Kyrie. 38-29. 9-point lead for the Arrows. Vico Lakaya gives it to Vincent Cienza. And a good ball movement resulting to that basket by Abraham Meneses. This team, the chemistry is showing up in this game as Zio Sanchez gives it to Austin Assistant. Austin lines it up. That's his spot. And that's his shot. Austin Assistant making his presence felt. I believe that's his first basket in this game. Nick Almeida, Lakaya, he wants to answer. Won't drop. Rebound secured by Rib Capada. Rib, forward pass to Jaden. Jaden hesitates against Almeida. He spins, he drops. That's Rib Capada with a fake. Good defense from the side of Arrows. De La Cruz, forward pass to Jake Almeida. Jake pounding his way through upper body strength na kanino bola. Rib Capada once again. Naghanap ng papasahan. Austin Assistant at may foul on that last play. Here's Shensa. He drives all the way to the cup. Vincent Shensa using his speed and finishing with the left. Gio Sanchez. Oh, miscommunication there. Almost a turnover. Zio open. He fakes. He drives. The flip shot won't drop. As once again, Rib Capada. Missing on that one. That's Shensa once again. The drop. What a find. With eyes in the back of his head. Once again, Abraham Meneses finishes at the rim as Vincent Shensa. 44-32. 12-point lead for the GTU Arrows. And for this second quarter, it's all GTU Arrows as they have a 12-point lead. And a steal by the Arrows. Here's Lakaya, the flip shot. May kasama pang foul for Vico Lakaya. And a good offensive output from the side of the GTU Arrows, making the Infinite Basketball pay as Vico Lakaya shooting the bonus. And he completes the 3-point play opportunity as we see Sia Tenorio checks in for the GTU Arrows. There's Inigo Taran pushing the ladder. Inigo using his speed, drops it off the rib. And a push from the side of Abraham Meneses. As he makes the first free throw. Second one is no. But the ball stays with Infinite Basketball with 2 minutes and 10 left. as Reb Capada misses on that one. Shensa dropping off. He got caught on that one. And Coach Jun Dizon contesting that one. Sabi niya, nakataasan ng kamay yung player niya. As GT Arrows would like to talk things over, we'll be right back after this timeout. Let's see the baseline play here. Open Tenorio for three. Yes, sir! For Cian Tenorio. Good play for the GT Arrows. Making Tenorio wide open there on that corner slot. Just like his dad, L.A. A substitution has been made by the Arrows. Hayden De La Cruz checks back in. Dio. Let's see kung mainit pa. Not that time. DK Manahan. DK Manahan showing his athleticism and the speed there as he went for that coast to coast. Inigo Taran, the sidestep beauty. Inigo Taran, this time using his speed. It's speed versus speed for the guards of both teams. Here's Vico Lacaya. Here's Cito De La Cruz. Shotlock reads 9. Vico, the pro hop, gives it to Tenorio. He fakes Manahan. Shotlock reads 3. He looks at the clock. The fadeaway shot will drop as Reb Capada brings down the ball. He gives it to Meneses. The flip shot. Correction, that's number 12. As Tenorio, he gets blocked. As DK Manahan right there. Oh, point blank miss for him. 9 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Inigo Taran pushing the ball. And that's a foul from the side of DK Manahan. That's not a good foul for DK. As penalty na sila dito. Inigo Taran here. 2 free throws coming up from him. And the first one is good for Inigo. And Reb Capada with a follow. And an offensive foul call on Dustin Choi as he extended his elbow on that one. .4 seconds on the clock. Let's see kung makakascore pa dito ang Infinite Basketball as Rivadilera naubusan ng oras. That's the end of the first half. Our score is 52-38. 14-point lead for the Arrows. We'll be right back after this break.